Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. In this video, I thought I would show you a Dollar Tree haul for a prosperity ritual that I'm preparing for to do this week. Now we have a full moon that is coming next week, and so I'm going to do a prosperity ritual and actually make some prosperity rice this coming Thursday, because Thursday is a good day for anything money, business related. And so I went to Dollar Tree today and I picked up a few things in preparation for this Thursday's ritual, and I wanted to share with you some of the things I got, because a lot of times people say they cannot find spiritual supplies, or they say that, oh, you know, the stuff is too expensive. So I'm going to show you what I got and then tell you how I'm going to use it, at least as best I can. So that way, if you're interested in picking up some things to do your own prosperity ritual, excuse me, you will have some idea of what to get. So the first thing I got here were some tea light candles. Now I may or may not use these. I do have some other candles that I'm going to use for my ritual. I may add these in, I'm not sure yet, but for $1 I picked them up. Next I got some jar candles. Now I already took the labels off of these. I probably shouldn't have done that, but these are scented candles, and I actually bought two, but I have one burning just to see how it burns. I may or may not use these, but again, I picked them up because I really like the container, so if I don't use these, I will use them at another time. Continuing on, I bought some ribbon because I'm going to do my prosperity rice in this jar, and I also got this jar from Dollar Tree. It's just a regular mason jar or canning jar. You don't have to get these at Dollar Tree, but since I was there, I decided to pick it up. I think this is maybe a pint size, I'm not sure. But I also got 3 different kinds of ribbon that I plan on using. This one is a glitter mesh ribbon, and it's really pretty too, if you can see that. And then this one is just a transparent, kind of like a shimmer kind of ribbon. I hope the camera's picking that up, but it's just called sheer ribbon. And then this one is just a satin ribbon. And again, you can see I got them in different shades of green. I may use one, I may use them all, or I may not use them. Usually what I like to do is I like to have a variety of supplies out, and then whatever I feel called to use as I'm putting things together, that's what I go for. So I got that, some ribbon. Next, I picked up this glitter glue in Ice Mint Green, and this is so pretty. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of like an iridescent green and gold shimmer. It's really pretty. I don't even know if I'm going to use this like in my rice, but I may use it like on one of my candles. I'm just not sure yet. But anyways, it was so pretty. And to me, this just screams prosperity, prosperity ritual. So I picked that up, and it was only $1, of course. Next, I got some basil leaves. Now, I use a variety of herbs in my prosperity rice. Basil is one of them. I also use cinnamon, some nutmeg, sometimes some clove. It just depends. So you can either use a whole bay leaves, or you can use basil leaves. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not now that I think about it, but I have it. Ooh, the top wasn't on that. Okay, then I got Decorative Sand. And you can see I obviously got this in green. And the way I use this is, let me show you. I put it in a dish. Let me show you. Okay, so I have like just this little vintage ashtray, but I have some other dishes too. So what I will do is I will pour some of the decorative sand in here, and then I may set one of these tea lights or a little votive candle in the sand, and I may mix some glitter and stuff in here. I may mix some herbs with it. I don't know. Again, it depends on what I feel called to do as I'm preparing. And this was the first time I've used this before, but this was the first time I saw these Pebbles, and I really liked the color of these, so I said I might use these. You know, I just want to have it so I can try it out, and I may use these in a dish and set some candles in that. So that's how I'm going to use those. Then of course you can never have too much glitter. They didn't have green glitter, but look at how pretty the silver, and the camera's not picking it up, but this is kind of a iridescent color, holographic, I guess. And then you've got like a I think excuse me, I think this is like a gray or purple, and then this is brown and then black glitter. So I bought 2 packs of these because I do use a lot of glitter, just because I like things to be sparkly, and glitter is awesome. I also picked up some glitter paper. Now this is adhesive sticker paper, but it's glitter. And then you get 3 sheets. There's a black, a hot pink, and a gold. I'm probably going to use the gold. Now the cool thing about this is you can cut out certain shapes, and you can either, you know, depending on what you're going to use, you can like cut out a $sign and you can stick it on the top of your jar here, or on the side, or you can put a prosperity symbol on the bottom and stick it. I've seen people put it on the inside of the jar, you know, the smaller ones. So that's the fun thing about doing this, is that you can get really, really crafty and creative with it. And then finally, now these are just wall decals, but look at how pretty these are. They reminded me of mandalas, and it's a real pretty, I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a blue, but then it's got gold on the outline. And I don't know if I'm going to use these, but I thought, you know, they're just so pretty to like sit a candle right in the middle somehow. Again, I won't know until I actually set it up. And I may not even use these at all. I may use these just like on a wall, or in my journal, or in my planner, or something like that. So that was my Prosperity Dollar Tree, well, Prosperity Ultra Supply, Prosperity Rice Supply, Dollar Tree haul, because I do want to be ready for Thursday. I don't want to feel like I'm rushed or scrambling last minute, you know, to get the supplies and the ingredients I need. And yeah, I think that's it. So, are you guys planning any type of ritual for the full moon that is coming next week. How are you preparing? What kind of supplies are you using? Are you going to do a prosperity ritual? If you are, I would love to see how you got it set up. If you are interested in seeing what I do with all this stuff, let me know and I will do a follow-up video to this showing you exactly how I use this stuff and how I put it all together. Alright everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. Alright everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.